Yes,
I
ma'am.
am
We will
going to
start from
put all of
24.
you first. Look at the screen. 24. Okay. Acha, put the CW and date also. Huh? Done to? CW and date. Right? CW and date over there. Now just look at this. I'm just covering the answers. Huh? Look. Sona bought a chair for rupees 790. Okay. That means one chair cost is rupees 790. Clear though? First statement. Now it is asked, what is the cost of 11 such chairs? Okay. Cost of one chair is given 790. What will be the cost of 11 chair? So what to do? Multiplication. Ah, good. Yes, yes. Okay, good. Acha, yes, Neha, I have seen. Good. Just do it because look, cost of one chair. Now write the statement properly. 11 chair will be more. Cost of one chair is 790. That means cost of 11 chair will be more. Yes. So just we have to multiply by 11. This type of sum already done. Acha, now just look it. Look at this. Cost of, write the statement properly. Cost of one chair. I am just covering the answer only. Do the multiplication yourself. Cost of one chair. Write the statement properly. Cost of one chair is rupees 790. Cost of 11 chair. Write the statement properly. Already each and every day I am saying to write the statement properly. Otherwise there will be marks deduction. Each and every day I am saying. Acha, now one chair cost is rupees 790. So what will be the cost of 11 chair? Just rupees 790 into 11. Acha, you can show the multiplication in the right side. Okay. If directly you know the table, you should know the table of 11. As you are in class 5, you should know. Okay. But till if you don't know or you forget, then step by step multiplication. By 1 at first you have to, then by this 1 you have to do. Okay. But you should know the table of 11. So I am doing in one step only. Okay. 11 0 is 0. Okay. 11 9 99. So this 9 will be there and 9 will be carried over there. Yes. Then 11 7 77 77 plus this carried over 9. Okay. That is 86. So rupees 8690. Have you done? Completed? Shamia Rahman. Okay. Ashmita. Okay. Completed to? Sneha Pan. Okay. No need to. Shamia. No need to show the copy right now. Divyanka. Just complete. Acha. Shuhana Parveen. Understood to? Okay. Okay. Good. Oishi Amitrajit. Rifa completed fast. Rifa completed. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Acha. Now the next one. I am moving for the next question. Okay. First one done to? Acha. No need to. You are not writing the question to? No need to write the question. Only answer. Okay. Okay. Good. Acha. Now 25. Okay. I am just covering the answer. Look at this. A bottle contains 2 liter and acha, this one is liter. Look, this type of given na, it looks 1 or it looks I also. It is liter L. Okay. Acha. A bottle contains 2 liter to 925 milliliter of fruit juice. Okay. In a bottle, there are 2 liter 925 milliliter fruit juice. Okay. If 1 liter 360 milliliter fruit juice were consumed. Okay. Acha, how much fruit juice consumed? 1 liter, 360 milliliter. Okay. Then how much quantity fruit juice was left in the bottle? Already remaining left part I told what to do. In case of remaining, in case of left part, what to do I told you. Yes or no? Just shake your heads if yes. Okay, okay. Then I think you can do it yourself. I am just giving you 2 minutes. Do it yourself. Then I'll show you the answer. Okay. Completed. Okay, okay, okay. Acha, let us wait for the other also. Okay, just complete it. I am giving you 1 minute only. Okay, now I am going to show you the answer. Those who have not completed. Shout Jashi, Shamia, Kaji, Ayman completed too. Kaji, no. Okay, 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 okay. I am waiting. Just look, I am clearing the. Okay, board. Just write the answer. Write the statement properly. Okay, Kaji. Write the statement properly. Okay, good. Rifa, write first. Acha, Shamia Rahman, you have completed. Then those who have completed, they show me the copy. Those who have completed, not all the student, only those who have. Okay. You have not written the statement properly. Shamia, only you have shown the subtraction. Look, here it is written now. Bottle contents of fruit juice this ml, this liter, this milliliter. Fruit juice was consumed. Yes. Okay, okay. Okay, Snehapan, good. Junaid, written the statement too. Shuhana, okay, good, good. I am moving for the next. Good. Ipshita, okay, okay, okay. I am moving for the next one, Okay, okay. I have seen the copy. Don't worry. Again, I'll see the copy. Okay. After 10 or 15 minutes. At first, let me complete few questions. Acha, 25 done. Acha, now I am moving for the next one. 26. Just look at this. Here also I am covering the answer. I have covered what to do, subtraction, addition or multiplication, and I have covered the answer also. Look, number 26. I am reading the question. The length of the measuring tape is 12 meter 50 centimeters. Suppose there is a tape whose length is this 12 meter 50 centimeter. Okay. Now it is given if a piece of measuring tape of length 7 meter 32 centimeter are cut out of it. Cut out. Suppose we have cut out a portion. This portion has been removed. We have taken. It has been cut out. Okay. Clear, Tom? Now find the length of the measuring tape thus left. That means remaining part. Which portion is remaining? This one. Yes, to. So total was this. Suppose total length was this. We have cut out this portion. Now remaining part is this. What to do? Total minus this cutting out part. Yes or no? Yes? Okay, good. Shuhana, clear? Suhana, okay. I need to make you understand again. Acha, clear. Okay, okay, good. Ashmita, clear? Okay, Oishi Bag. Wait, Shoham Mukherjee, turn on your video. Is it clear to you? Now just normal subtraction. Remaining part, left part, that means normal subtraction. Now just complete it. Write the statement. Don't forget to write the statement properly. Okay, I am waiting for each and every sum. So don't write any wrong digit, any wrong word, any wrong statement. Okay. Look, the length of the tape is given this. cutout part of the tape is given this. So minus this subtraction sign put, huh? Minus. Okay. And write the answer. The length of the left part is this. Okay. Completed? If completed, then just show me your hands. Only show me your hands in front of the camera. Okay, good. Acha, understood to Riyajuddin and Sayon? Understood to? Okay, good. Acha, Mirza Miraz Beg and Orpon Singho, Aditya Purkayet, Ujan Bhakto, Sridharti, just turn on your video and have you understood? Just clear it. Have you understood or not? I don't know there is a network problem or not. You are not turning on your camera. Chapter 26 done to? I will move for the next one. Acha, Rifa, no need to show me the copyright now, okay? No need to show me the copyright now. Acha, I am moving for the next one, okay? Yes, Amitrajit, okay, done. I am moving for the next one. Look. Number 27. Fill in the blanks. Acha, this one you will do in book. All of you have the book though. Acha, just wait. Let me unmute all of you for a minute. Okay, I am going to unmute it with line segment is called a dash. Okay. Acha, made closed shape made with line segment. Look, I am just drawing. Suppose 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, 5. By this 5 line segment, we have drawn a closed shape, yes or no? Basically, this is called polygon, okay? This is called polygon. Clear? There must be the line segment. Achha, look at this. Suppose I am doing this 1, 2 line segment and this one is a curve, not the line segment. Look, curve. Okay. So is this a polygon? Just yes or no? Okay, good, good. Good. Acha. How many? Just let me check all of us. Just shake your heads. Okay. Yes or no? In case of yes or in case of no, then I'll clear it. Acha. Sneha is saying no, Rifa also saying no. Riyazuddin, you are saying yes or no? No, good. Do you know why? I can't even just say, do you know why? Shake your heads if yes or no. Now just clear to. Polygon means not like the curve, okay? Not using curve. We can't use curve, okay? Clear? Again, I am explaining. Look, already clear to. Again, I am explaining. Look, suppose we are making in this way 2 lines and 3 lines and 1 curve. This is called basically a closed figure. Closed figure, okay? But not a polygon. Polygon means it should be made up with line segments. Clear? Must be all the bordering part, covered part must be line segment. Okay, it should be made up by line segment. Acha, it can be, it may be used 4 or 5, 6, 7 line. Okay, but we must use the line segment. Clear? So, if with 4 line segment, it is called quadrilateral. If 5 line segment, it is called pentagon. If 6, then hexagon, like this way. Okay. Now just write the answer. First one, a closed shape made with line segment, write polygon. Polygon. Okay. Written the answer. Now the next one, A polygon with 5 sides. 5 sides. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this is called pentagon. Pentagon. Okay. Achha, after completing up to this, I'll say you if there are 6 line segment, a polygon with 6 line segment, then hexagon, 7 heptagon, that portion I'll complete. Huh? You will write in your copy. At first, complete this, fill in the blanks part. Okay. Achha, number C. A line segment joining 2 points on a circle is called a dash. Look, suppose this one is a circle. A line segment joining 2 points on a circle. 2 points will be on the circle. Look, in this way. Okay, 2 points. Suppose A and B. This is called chord. This is called chord. Okay, not diameter. Okay, why not diameter? I'm just clearing. Look, because look, diameter means it should pass through the center. Okay, through the center. That means here also we have to take 2 points on the circle, but that line must pass through the center. But if we take any 2 points on the circle, it is not passing through the center. That means it is chord. And also which line passes through the center, that is also chord. But usually in case of diameter, it always passes through the center. Okay. So here in the question C, look, it is not mentioned that it will pass through the center or not. So we'll take the general answer, that is chord. Is it clear to all of you? Chord. C-H-O-R-D. Okay. Retain, all of you retain. Okay, right first. Now the fourth one I am coming. The line segment from the center of a circle to a point on the circle is called the dash. Look, that means we have to take one point is the center and other one is on the circle. It is always a radius. Okay. Yes, yes. Look, if one point is the center itself and other one is on the circle, if we join this, then we'll get the radius. Okay. Half of the diameter basically. All these things I will explain, don't worry. Okay. Just write over there radius. Retain. Achha, now the entire number E, the entire dash of a circle is called. Achha, at first, just tell me up to D you have completed or not. Okay. Divyanka completed. Rifa also. Siddharthi. Achha, Ifchita completed Tom. Ha, good. Kaji Ayman, Shaurjasish. Ha, good. Okay, okay. Let me just check one by one. And just raise your, show me your hands if you have completed in front of the camera. All of you first. Siddharthi. Okay, okay, okay. Rifa, ha, good. Shuhana completed to? Shuhana Parveen? Up to D, up to D. I'm just telling you up to D. Completed to? Okay, Ashmita? Okay, okay. Acha, then I am moving. I am clearing the screen. Look, all the answers has been cleared. Now just look at this number E, okay? The entire length. Let me explain. Entire length that acha, the entire dash is given. We have already I have said the answer. Okay. Now how? I'm just going to explain. Of a circle is called its circumference. Acha, circumference means perimeter. The length of the boundary. The length of the boundary of a circle. The entire length. Look. Suppose this one is a circle. Okay. The entire length means this boundary length. Look, I am just covering. Look, this one. Suppose from here I have started and I have gone up to this. The entire length of the circle or of the boundary is called circumference. Okay. So write the entire length. Acha, one thing, some of you will say the entire perimeter of a circle is circumference. Some of you probably will say, but this answer will not be perimeter, huh? The entire length. If we don't use this entire word, then the answer may be perimeter. The perimeter of a circle, is called the circumference, we can say. But as the entire word has been there, entire word is written over there, so we can't write the answer perimeter, entire length. Ultimately, the entire length means a perimeter. Clear to? Clear to all of you? If here the entire word is not given, suppose one question is giving like this, the dash of a circle is known as circumference, okay, is known as circumference, then you can write perimeter. But if as the entire word is given over there, look, the entire word given, say, then only you will write length. Acha, it is clear to all of you though? It is clear to all of you? Okay. Ashmita, clear? Acha, good. Trisha. Okay. No doubt is there, I think. Acha. Now complete. Now number F. The diameter of a circle is twice of its radius. Now why twice? Look at this. Already I told the radius means from the center we have to take the point till at the circle, on the circle. That means this is radius. Now if we double it, same way if we take this center and we take the line segment to the other side up to this circle, that means this whole length is known as diameter, okay? So diameter is double of radius, na? So twice of its radius, right? Radius, okay? Write all the answer first. E and A first, the entire length, and it will be radius. Completed? Okay. If complete, just like Junaid, show the hands. All of you, if completed. Okay, good. Shuhana Parvin, write fast. Good. Okay. All of you are very brilliant. Good. Shomojit, where is Shomojit? Shomojit is attending the class today or not? Okay, Shomojit, turn on your video. Acha, now completed. So come to 28, huh? Acha, before coming to 28, 29, I'll just say you one thing. Do you know the perimeter of a rectangle or perimeter of a square? It is already done in class 4. I think you know. Then also let me explain. Suppose this is the rectangle, look. For rectangle, just this is length, okay? And this one is breadth. Yes. Now, perimeter means the entire length of the boundary. Right now, I told in case of circle, same thing, huh? So, perimeter means we have to add the length of boundary, okay? That means, look, this length plus breadth. Again, length plus breadth, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means length 2 times, breadth 2 times. 2 times length and 2 times breadth. So, 2 into the formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, 2 into L plus B. I am just writing L in place of length and B in place of B. B in place of breadth. Okay. Achha, up to this clear though? Okay. Now just complete sum number 28. You have to find the area as achha, area means length into breadth. Okay. Length L into B. Already this is known to you. In the last class you learned this. Achha. Same for square. Square means each side are equal, that means length is equal to breadth for square in case of square, not in rectangle. Okay, that means 4 into side. This is the formula of perimeter of square, and area of square is side into side. Okay, I'm just writing S in place of side. Okay, just write this. You can write the formula. Okay, number A, look at the question. Acha, the length is given. Acha, basically the length is greater than the breadth. Okay, in the question, look, it is given 7 meter and 9 meter. As 9 meter is greater than 7 meter, so we have taken 9 meter as length. It is clear? Yes or no? Okay, okay, okay. Now look, the formula perimeter 2 into length plus breadth. Yes, 2 into length plus breadth. Length is given 9, breadth 7. So 9 plus 7 is equal to 2 into 9 plus 7 means what? 16. 16 2s are 32 centimeter. Completed. First one. Now I am coming for the area. Acha, length into breadth. Breadth. Here the unit usually is square meter, square centimeter. It is square unit. Okay. Why? Because we are doing length into breadth. So there is a unit of length as well as the unit of breadth. We are doing into na multiplication. So suppose the unit of length is centimeter. Unit of breadth is also centimeter. So square centimeter. Or you can write centimeter square. It is clear to all of you? If yes, just shake your head. If yes, Trisha, clear? Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Now just complete it first. 28A and B. Length into breadth 9 into 7, 7963 centimeter square. Don't forget to put the unit. If you forget to put the unit, then I'll deduct the marks. Okay, first of all. Second, in case of area, suppose you are putting the unit centimeter, then it will be wrong. I'll cut, huh? No marks will be there. Put centimeter square in case of area. Then you will not say, ma'am, I have put centimeter. Then why have you cut marks only for this square? You have cut marks. Yes, I will cut marks only for this square. Okay, I am clearing this in the class. So don't do any mistake in exam. Okay, all of you. Now do up to acha, number B also look. Length is 8 meter, breadth is 3 meter. So 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into 8 plus 3, 2 into 11, that is 22 meter. It is meter over there, right? I'll move up to this completed. To in B perimeter. Shuhana completed. Acha, Shuhana, have you understood? Okay, okay, okay. Trisa complete first. Ashmita clear to understood? Ashmita? Okay. Acha, Anushka Maiti is there. Just turn on your video. Sapin Khan, Debolin, Anushka, turn on your video. Turn on your video. Ujan Bhokto, Shoham Mukherjee. Even I am unable to understand that whether it is clear to you or not. Those who have stopped their video, I am unable to understand that it is clear to them or not. Acha, complete it. I am moving the screen. B area also. Acha, from 29, I'll start tomorrow. Okay. You will just show me your copy after completing up to this. Look, just normal formula area. Acha, now note 2 points, okay? Just write rectangle, give a heading rectangle and make a bullet, write perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth, or you can write L plus B. L plus B unit, okay? Put unit also. Acha, here write L means length and B means breadth. Write this first, all of you. Note it down fast. Acha, as 40 minutes almost done, if the meeting gets over, then you will automatically be disconnected, huh? Then no need to join because already today's class is done, okay? But before that, write complete for it first, huh? Acha, now area. Perimeter done. All of you, perimeter Shuhana written. Okay, now just give a heading, make a bullet and write area. Area is equal to L into B. And here put unit square or square unit. SQ dot then unit. Square unit or unit square, okay? Area is equal to L into B square unit. It is for rectangle, and draw the figure of rectangle also. Here write L, L. This one is B, this one is also B. Breadth, breadth, okay? Complete it first.